So just jump right in. All right. Hi, I'm Chris Carradini. I'm the president and owner of Turnkey Technologies, Incorporated. If you're watching this video today, you're probably struggling with some form of automation. Many companies come to me and they say, help, Chris. They can't integrate a partner because the old technology, there may be a business process that's broken and they're throwing labor at the problem. Finding the right resource. Who has the knowledge to help them with the challenge that they have? You know, employee morale is a big one. Everybody's like, really? And that's an indirect cost. But efficiency, and if we're not efficient, we're not maximizing profitability. And again, delayed addressing these problems, it's just the money just rolls up that's not ending up in the bank account. Who do I talk to? Who's the expert? You know, that alignment between industry experience, culture, personality, location, staff capacity, staff resource, a lot of facets there. So I created Turnkey Technologies because I believe that we could do this better than the other people that are out there. So what we focus on today is driving business process automation for small mid-market companies with Microsoft Dynamics technologies. So we have a lot of manufacturing clients. About 65% of our clients manufacture in different industries: food, medical devices, defense contractors, a lot of variety. And the other big areas in the financial services firms. These are people not doing supply chain, multi-entity. We've got a group that owns 150 hotels, 200 facilities for senior living, very strong in those solution spaces as well. That expertise, we've got lots of great clients that have had amazing success through our services and through our ideas and innovations. We do take our experience and we use that to contribute to leadership and moving the project forward at a better pace. Emphasis on detail of requirements and scope on the front end of the engagement. It's the most imperative part because we set the budget, we set the expectations, we focus intently on that. And through our 30 years, we've matured how we manage those processes. We've created some AI components in the AP automation where we used to have human operators coding invoices, and I have a client that's moving about 30,000 plus a month. Perfect example, labor reduction. They plan on doubling their business. They don't need to hire any more people in that example. So the automation on reporting platforms is one great example how we've empowered users to have more real-time access to data to make better decisions. Then we take the labor out of generating and distributing reports. You like what I've said? You think you can drive your business growth and you want to? Let's talk. Again, I do a no-charge consultation and I'm pretty good at assessing if we can deliver value to your organization. Give us a chance. I may be in St. Louis, but I talk to people all over the world.